What's the meaning of computer scientist? Computer scientist. Computer scientist.
Computer scientist. Computer scientist. A computer scientist is a professional who specializes in the study and development of computer technology. They research and create new software, hardware, and computing systems, as well as find ways to improve existing technology. Computer scientists are often involved in designing algorithms and developing programming languages and tools. They may work on a variety of applications, such as artificial intelligence, data analysis, cybersecurity, and mobile computing. Ultimately, their goal is to advance the field of computer science and keep pace with the ever-evolving world of technology.